Part 2. Cue card.
Describe a time when you lost an important and valuable item. You should say when and where it happened, what it was, how important and valuable it was, how you lost it, and explain how you felt about the experience. You will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish.
One unforgettable experience that still resonates with me is when I lost my grandmother's antique gold locket during a family trip to Tokyo in 2018. We were visiting the Shibuya crossing, and in the chaos of taking photos, I must have dropped it. The locket held immense sentimental value as it had been passed down through generations. It was a stunning 18-karat gold piece, adorned with intricate engravings, and contained a photo of my great grandparents. Not only was it financially valuable, but its emotional significance was priceless. Losing the locket was devastating. I recalled the countless times my grandmother had told me stories about its history and the love that went into crafting it. I felt an overwhelming sense of guilt and responsibility, knowing that I was the last custodian of this family heirloom. As I frantically searched the crowded streets, I couldn't shake off the feeling of regret. I kept replaying the events leading up to the loss, wondering what I could have done differently. The loss felt like a personal failure, and I struggled to come to terms with it. However, as time passed, I realized that the true value of the locket lay not in its material worth, but in the memories and stories it represented. I began to cherish the recollections of my grandmother's tales and the significance of our family's heritage. Looking back, the experience taught me the importance of mindfulness and appreciation for the things that truly matter. While the locket's loss still pains me, I've come to understand that its value extends beyond physical possession.